Now column 1, column 2, column 3. It is centered and bold because of TH, table heading, not TD. TD is very simple. Left aligned, no center, and it shows the data. And these are columns. Now we can put it into some practical use. Okay, let's copy this. Copy all this. Select it, right click, copy, and we paste it to save as, inverted commas, table 7, tables, marks sheet, dot html again, very important, dot html file name. Now I change this. I write subject. Okay, subject total marks. I write marks obtained, and I add another heading, th, fourth one, th. Heading is grade, percentage. th. Okay, now I remove, I put data over here. Okay, data is, first column is what? Subject. I will write subject. Okay, let's see output first. What is the output? Now I should click tables mark sheet. This is our file, tables mark sheet. This is table subject, total marks obtained, percentage. This is what? This is heading column, th column, th row. This is th row, and these are columns. These are 4 columns. Now I put the data. The data is, for example, subject 1 is English. Okay, total marks are 100. Marks obtained are 60. Okay, see the output. File, save. See the output. This is English 100, 60. And what about the percentage? There was no fourth column. And I put the fourth column as 60%. TD. File, save. I put another row. In the second row, I have another subject. That subject is IT, computers. In computer, the total marks are 150, and the student obtained 75. Okay, in the third column, and the percentage is what? 50%. TD percentage is 50%. TD close. Another subject, social studies. Right? The total marks are 200, and marks obtained are 95. Okay, and percentage is TD near 50%, 49 point something, right? 49.4. Okay, I have to calculate it. And in the fourth column, we have total, totals, total, okay, total. Total is 100, 150, 250, 250, 200, 450, 450. In the total column, I will write total is total 450, 450, 100, 150, 250, 200, 450, 450, 450, and total marks are 450. And marks obtained, PD, marks obtained are total marks obtained are 450 over this 450, right? And marks obtained 60, 75, okay, let's calculate. Calculator, where is calculator? Calculator is calculator. If I write okay, this is the calculator. Okay, now I put 60, 60. We will make calculator when we will study about JavaScript. Plus 75, 75 plus 95, okay, 230, 230, 230. And what about the percentage? Percentage is about 50%. There should not be any about, but now this is. Let's calculate the percentage. How we calculate the percentage? How we calculate the percentage? Total mass. Total marks are total obtained marks. Sorry, obtained marks are 230. 230, and total marks are 450, and we multiply it to 100. It is 51.11. 51.11. Okay. File save. Now refresh it. Now you see subject, total marks, marks obtained, percentage, and there should be another column that is grade. Okay, 60%. Then you see computer, social studies, total marks, marks obtained, and percentage. Okay. So this is how the table works. Important thing about tables, what? Table row, the first row contains the TH heading, and all other rows contains the data, and TD is called column. Column number 1, column number 2, column number 3, row number 2, row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4. So columns and rows, this is tabular data like we do work in Excel. Excel has tabular format. Okay, so this is very important. So hope you have understood the lecture. We will use the tables in the next few classes, and we will make a complete 5-page website using tables. Okay, thank you.